In this video, we're going to talk about how to sell supplements with YouTube ads, and we're going to talk about how we were able to take a supplement that was getting less than a 1x ROAS and actually increase that to 3x ROAS with some interesting new tactics. So guys, before we get into this video, please hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and then we'll get right into it. So supplements are traditionally pretty hard to sell with YouTube ads. They're often smaller AOV, it's extremely competitive, and you can go pick up the majority of supplements at a grocery store, or you have a million different options on Amazon. So because of that, we find that selling supplements are actually quite challenging with YouTube ads. That being said, it's doable and profitable if you do it in the right way. So what we did with this client is we kind of switched around the way we look at the offer. We basically focused more on the lifetime value versus the front end and focused on optimizing for that. So the truth is, the AOVs of most supplements are anywhere in the $20 to $90 range, but the lifetime values can often be in the hundreds of dollars, especially with subscription sales. So you just need to figure out a multi-touch system that gets people into the door and gets them to buy these subscription packages for high lifetime values. And what that will do is essentially allow you to be profitable in the long term over 30 to 60 days versus being profitable just on day one. The truth is, if you're selling supplements that are white hat and not based on really aggressive claims, or a supplement that's completely new and unique, you do need to accept the fact that that front end profit is going to be definitely harder to make with YouTube ads. However, you can make a long-term profit if you actually modify your approach. So what we did with this client is we started focusing more on lead generation rather than just the front end sale. So what we do is we focus on acquiring leads as cheaply as possible by offering a lead magnet, some sort of education resource, whether it be a webinar, whether it be a video course or a PDF that actually educates them and then gets their email or even their Facebook Messenger. And then we remarket to those people with both email marketing as well as YouTube ads and Facebook ads and display, basically remarketing on all fronts. The goal is really to nurture them and get them to purchase and get leads for as cheap as possible. And basically, the math on this works out to be, if you get a lead for, let's say, $3 to $4 and their lifetime value is $15, $20, you're very, very profitable on that. So an example of this is if you're selling a supplement on joint pain, you could actually give away a free video course on how to beat joint pain forever, or a free lead magnet on how to beat joint pain forever. Now, once they're in their email list, you really need to have strong email marketing and a good nurture sequence where you educate them and introduce them to your product and then also sell them on it. You'll want to be occasionally making irresistible offers with promotions to get them over the edge. So if you look at really good supplement companies, every couple months they'll have some amazing offer that gets people to really start buying in and helps them become customers. Or maybe they'll have free trial offers, or they'll give you a sample pack. Really, the goal is once they buy once, they're going to keep buying again and again. Now, on top of obviously the email marketing or even perhaps Messenger, ManyChat marketing, you also want to be remarketing aggressively with YouTube ads, Facebook ads, display ads, and really pushing them to these special offers that you're running once in a while, right? Once every month or once every couple of months. And those offers are really what's going to convert at a much higher rate. So if you really understand your lifetime value and you have great email marketing, what you can do is use YouTube ads to generate a lot of cheap leads and then essentially sell them supplements on during these holiday periods where they're going to convert at a much higher rate and you're going to start seeing a much higher ROAS. So we recently used the strategy of the brand where initially with direct response YouTube ads, we were getting less than a 1x ROAS. It wasn't really working at all. People really needed more education and they needed more trust with the brand before they would purchase. So what they did is last week, the client had a special promotion going on and our ROAS just multiplied to over 3x because all of those leads that we started generating through our lead gen process that we started testing out, then started purchasing. And then we were also remarketing them with YouTube ads, and that just led to the snowball. So guys, go test this strategy out. As I mentioned, this is a strategy that really will work if you have great lifetime values, you have good cash flow, and you also have amazing email marketing and follow up. And this is a strategy that you're really going to have to just fine tune and experiment with, but this is a way to start scaling your offer with YouTube ads. Now, other ways you can sell supplements with YouTube ads are with VSLs and webinars. For example, I recently saw a supplement for eye vision where there was an affiliate sending traffic to it and a very aggressive direct response VSL, and that video ad for that supplement had over 20 million views. So they're obviously extremely profitable. The main point here is with supplements, don't expect to send people to a pretty product page and have them buy. You actually need to either do some sort of long-term nurture or you need to have a really great video sales letter or webinar that actually gets them to understand what the problem is, agitate them on the problem, and then provide your supplement as a solution. But you can't just expect people to go land on a landing page and buy, right? And on top of that, you also need really great video ads as well. So those are a few tips for selling supplements with YouTube ads. Let me know if you have any questions for me. You can write those questions in the comments below. If you guys are interested in taking your YouTube ads to the next level, there'll be a link below to check out our coaching program where we coach people on YouTube advertising and we provide an in-depth training program. So that will be a very useful resource. And also, if you're interested in done for you YouTube ads, we offer that as an agency. So that will also be in the link below. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.